In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can hide the number of people you are following on your Facebook. So you can see I'm following 296 people, but then when I come here and then I move to viewers, you can see they are saying I'm following 0 people. Let me show you guys how to do this. It's very simple and easy. So now let's come back here to our Facebook. We just move to this side and we move to our settings. So let me come to settings here. I tap on that for it to expand and I open that. So on my settings here, I move to this side, which is followers and then public content. So I tap on that here and you can see I've turned who can see people I follow, the pages and the list, to only me. So you just tap on that. By default, it should be set to public, which means everybody can see the number of people you are following. When you set it to friends, I mean only your friends can see, but then I want no one to see the people I'm following. So I save that here, good, and then I come back, something like this, and then I refresh the page. So after refreshing my page and then I view my page as a public individual, you can see viewers is telling me 0 people. I'm following 0 people, but then I'm following 296 people. So that's it on how you can hide your followers on Facebook. If you are new here, give me a like, subscribe to my channel. Peace.